Hello everyone, my name is Udit Agradi. Currently, I am pursuing PGDM from Jaipuria Institute of Management, Indore. Today, I give a presentation on Reliance Industries. So let me start with a quote which is given by late Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani. He said that growth has no limit at Reliance. I keep my revising my vision. Only when you dream it, you can do it. Yeah, these are some points which I going to cover in this presentation. I'm starting with introduction. Yeah. So Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, in India. The company was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani, partnership with Champak Lal Damani and Reliance Commercial Corporation in 1960. In 1965, partnership ended with Champak Lal Damani and Dhirubhai continued with the polyester business. Reliance established mill in Norada, Gujarat in the year of 1966. On 8 May 1973, it became Reliance Industries Limited. So, product and services offered by Reliance Industries Limited. Yeah. So, Reliance Industries offered 100 plus product and services in the different segment. I'm starting with Reliance Retail. Reliance Retail is a subsidiary company of Reliance Limited. Established in 2006, Reliance Retail is the largest retailer of India in terms of revenue. Its retail outlet offer different products like food, electronic goods, lifestyle, and home improvement product, groceries, footwear, farm implements and inputs, vegetable, fruit, and flowers, etc. Reliance Jio. The headquarters of Reliance Jio in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Jio provides 4G service network in all over India. The service was first launched in India on 27 December 2015 on the occasion of 83rd birth anniversary of his late father Dhirubhai Ambani. The founder of Reliance Industries and Service was launched on 5th September 2016. After 1 month, Reliance announced that they acquired 16 million subscriber. 50 million connection acquired after 83 days of being launched. On 2022 Feb 2016, they crossed 100 million subscribers. These are some products which are offered by Geo Life, smartphone, Geo Wi-Fi, Geo apps. The third services which is provided by Geo Refinery and Marketing. Reliance Petroleum Limited, which offered by Reliance Industries Limited, based on Jamnagar, Gujarat, India. One of the India's largest private sector company, Jamnagar Oil Refinery. In the world largest oil refinery company, which was set up in a record time. In fact, built with a very low cost comparable to other refinery in the world. It has transformed India from net exporter crude oil and petroleum product to net exporter of this petroleum product. So the fourth service which is provided by Reliance Industries is petrochemical. Reliance is India's largest producer of petrochemical product, and it is count among the world's top 10 producer of petrochemical products. Reliance is the world largest producer of polyester fiber, yarn, and second producer of prelection, and count under top 10 for purified terophotic acid. Uh, so Reliance is also largest producer of synthetic elastomer in India. India's largest producer of synthetic rubber. Under polyester, they produce polymers, polyester intermediates, other petrochemical products. So the fifth service they provide exploration and production. Reliance is one of the largest player in the field of exploration and production. They keeping the environment in mind and using conventional and unconventional hydrocarbon portfolio. Reliance entered in the field of exploration and production business and become a 30% partner with in a joint venture with Shell and ONGC in Fena Mukta and Mid and South Tapi blocks. So the last and not the least, textile industry. Reliance Industries textile division at Naroda House is one of the largest and the most modern in textile industry in the world and recognized by the World Bank. In textile products, they offered fabric, apparel, auto furnishing. So let me give you a brief about competitor of Reliance Industries. Yeah. So there is a competition in every segment of Reliance Industries, from Reliance Retail to Reliance Jio, refinery to petrochemical, oil and gas to textile. You will find a competitor against Reliance. Like these are some top competitor of Reliance, like Tata, Adani, Aditya Birla, Total, Lukoil Oil Company, Valero, Marathon Oil, Andakara, and Devion. These are some top competitor of Reliance Industries. Now, marketing strategy of Reliance Industries. Yeah. Reliance use mix of geographic, demographic, and psychographic segmentation variables such as professional, gender, income, age, behavior, region, etc. Reliance use a selective and aggressive pricing strategy to its target market. So let me talk about the SWOT analysis of Reliance Industries. Yeah. So strength. First is strength. Reliance has a strong marketing position in various segments. Reliance is first Indian company which is listed into Fortune Global 500. Its strengths are like India's number one biggest giant industry. Reliance has a strong brand name, excellent financial position in the market. One of few Indian company listed in Forbes, employs over 2,500 people. Weaknesses are Reliance has a production in their two of its major plant, KG and D6 field and Tapti field, is recorded decreasing due to various natural and operational challenges, has affected the supply of operational margins. Long-term borrowing weaknesses are long-term borrowings, KG6 KG and D6 controversy, legal issues and legalizations, acquisition of being favored by government. Let me talk about opportunities in the market. If we talk about the opportunities, uh, so the opportunity is like RIL plan to continue to expand their business with making such huge investment and making Reliance as a global known company. Growing demand for petrochemical product is first opportunity, which I look in the market. The second one is understand the demand of data and Reliance broad geo buy out competition. The last one is threat. So Reliance face strong competition from various segments, like in oil company. Reliance compete with from various state-owned companies in oil, gas, and petroleum industries. Indian Oil Corporation, Hindustan Petroleum Limited, and Bharat Petroleum Corporation. These are state-owned companies, which is the biggest competitor of Reliance Industry. Now I'm going to talk about pestle analysis of Reliance Industries. The first one is political. Reliance Industries Limited is one of the biggest Indian industries. Its business is spreading multiple sector including telecom, power, retail, cash and carry, petroleum, fashion, mobile, etc. A political stability is necessary for flow of material and to maintain the best supply chain efficiency. Some of the laws that are launched to promote the telecom sector, like an 100% foreign direct investment in some businesses that Reliance Industries in help operates in help to scale the business profitability. Level of government interference in free market and capital goods is also a decider political factor. So the second one is economical. There are many economical factors that affect business of Reliance Industries Limited. The inflation, the inflation rate determined the buying capacity of the customer in the country. Having too high inflation is not considered good for any business. What will happen with this? It is that the price of raw material increase, and then the result is automatically increase the price of the final product. High interest rate are bad for both business as well as customers. Third one is social. This is 21st century, and the spending power of the consumer is also very good. This lead industries like Reliance Industries give ample chance to provide a different product to the customer with reasonable price. People these days are more attracted towards fashionable things, toward technology, but only when it is price is are also good. Internet has become a necessary in the present days, and Reliance saw an opportunity in the Reliance and the Reliance providing the most accessible, reliable, affordable internet in India. Yeah. The fourth one is technology. Changes with time. Technology involved in Reliance Industries has made a Reliance very effective. Reliance work advancement in telecom sector, like introducing 5G network and 4G network and fiber net broadband. Reliance understood the future and the urgency of occasion and used the right thing at the right time. The fifth one is legal. The There are many strict laws in every country, and Reliance had to follow all the laws of the countries where Reliance work. This include labor law, which protect a minimum wage system. These are some legal point which is facing by Reliance Industries. So the fifth and the final point is environment. Reliance Industries has much diversified business, but each of its business, like petroleum, fashion, retail outlet, agricultural products, have to be mentioned its environmental factor. The emissions that are given out into the air have to be regulated under the norms prescribed by the government. Excess of carbon emission add to the ozone layer, global warming in the world. There are laws which protect animal from right from being killed for the business purposes. Now, the third, my last topic is corporate social responsibility (CSR) activities, which is doing by Reliance Industries. So, Reliance Industries established Reliance Foundation. This foundation take care of corporate social responsibility of Reliance Industries. RIL bring this foundation to change the Indian society. Reliance Foundation established in the year of 2010, led by Miss Nida Ambani. This foundation has created positive impact to more than 12 million people in 10,500 villages all around India. The focus of this CSR activities: healthcare, environment, education, rural transportation, disaster response, protection of national heritage, art and culture. So, thank you from my side. I hope you like the presentation on Reliance Industries. Thank you.